Guys, let's try these 3 ingredients. Honey, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. So, I put honey already, guys. And I need to put pinch of salt. Paubos na yung salt ko. And lemon juice. These 3 ingredients, guys, help clean the lungs, open the bronchi. So, let's try dahil nga may plema ako, guys, na medyo matagal na. Hindi siya, sometimes, na ano siya, natatanggal siya, but hindi siya totally natatanggal. So, try ko ito, guys. Para malaman natin kung totoo. So, let's go, guys. Let's drink the mix. These 3 type of ingredients: honey, pinch of salt, and juice, lemon juice. One in the night and one in the morning. Sarap, guys. Help release daw the bronchi and expel, release the phlegm. Yan. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Good night, everyone. Yan. Bye.